First of all, thank you for being at our stand at Gates Europe. The concept is quite simple. It's all about storytelling. So on the first aisle, where we talk about the future, you'll see that we present our solutions. We make especially for the car manufacturers themselves, because we want to highlight the fact that aftermarket and car manufacturers are working very closely together. On the second island, you'll see that we work for you. That's really specifically aimed towards our distributor and distributor network. We want to show them, hey, look guys, this is what we're doing for you. These are the solutions that we bring to market for you. Really product oriented for aftermarket automotive replacement. On the third island, you see Think Garage. There we want to highlight the fact that we not only work for the distributors, but that we also work for the garages themselves, as a matter of fact. So what we're showing there is not only product, we show some products, that goes without saying, but we also show like a new portal, digital installation instructions we want to launch at this show, as a matter of fact, so because we are launching a lot of new products at this show. So it's all about like how can we provide the installation manuals, how can we provide training, how can we provide all these services to the garages themselves. And then at the fourth aisle, the fourth and the last island, we show Gates as a whole, because Gates is a big company and we are doing much more than only automotive. We also do like industrial applications, we do belt for bicycles, we do all this kind of we present all these kinds of solutions as well. So we wanted to show the people and the visitors not only automotive, and that's basically it. So it's a journey. You start from the left and you go to the right. So you go and then you have the entire Gates story.
Donc aujourd'hui sur le stand, nous proposons à nos clients de faire un voyage avec nous sur les nouveautés que nous proposons sur le salon. Et nous avons les pompes à eau classiques et les pompes à eau électriques qui permettent aux moteurs de mieux fonctionner et de respecter l'environnement et toutes les normes anti-pollution qui aujourd'hui affectent l'ensemble des marchés et qui respectent les régulations de toutes les nouvelles normes.